Okay.
That was easy.
The ball hits the car, pushing it into the next tube. This is an example of Newton's first law because the car is at rest and is put in motion by the outside force of the ball. It is also an example of conservation of energy because the potential energy of the car is converted to kinetic energy as it is hit by the ball.
The first train car collides with the second train car in an inelastic collision, with magnets holding the two trains together. This shows conservation of momentum as the mass increases, causing velocity to decrease.
The dominoes hit each other and all fall down, once again showing both Newton's first law as each goes from rest into motion when acted upon by an outside force, and conservation of energy as their potential energy is converted to kinetic.
The ball goes down the spiral, showing conservation of energy as the potential energy it had at the edge of the table is converted into kinetic energy. It also shows Newton's second law, which states that force is proportional to acceleration. There is a greater force acting on the ball as a result of the added gravitational force, causing it to accelerate.
The ball is released, hits the basketball, and bounces back. It pushing the basketball into motion is an example of Newton's first and third laws because it exerts a force that pushes the ball from rest to motion, and a force is exerted back upon it, pushing it away.
The tower falls and hits the easy button. This is an example of Newton's third law because as the tower exerts a force on the button, a force is exerted by the button back on the tower. This causes the tower to break and the button to be pushed down.
Bojangles. No. I dreamed that physics would never die. Are you ready? Okay. But how close are you to losing? Well, take it. 102. Okay. I believe. Oh, you go.
That was easy.
20.